if you're tired of what you have to change what you're doing. That in turn requires challenging your unconscious assumptions. To share key visualization concepts, I will turn to two experts and authors, Tara Swart and Roxie Nafousie. Swart is a neuroscientist and MIT lecturer. Sometimes an experience like hitting rock bottom will spur a rethinking of assumptions. Sometimes being confronted with convincing evidence is enough to do it. My interest is in harnessing your body/brain's own resources for achieving full potential. I've been interested in visualization since my 20s. A life-changing experience I had was when I relied on what I learned from the classic book, Psychocybernetics, and attained my most dearly held goal of becoming a full-time staff anesthesiologist in San Francisco, immediately out of residency. I had visualized consistently from my hospital call room in Southern California each night I was on duty. Attaining this job was a true accomplishment, and I never forgot how I got there. Two crucial concepts on visualization and manifesting I learned from Swart's work was that number one, the act of visualizing what you want using imagination, images, or lists primes your brain to keep these goals front and center instead of deprioritizing them. Adding emotion to your goals will add weight, and the brain will tag these subjects more prominently. Any brain tagged topics are much more likely to receive your attention and action and alert you to opportunities that help you get to your goals. This is the science. Number two is that our subconscious tries extremely hard to keep us safe. This is required by evolution. The subconscious sees any change, even a positive one, as dangerous. So by visualizing consistently, by imagining what it will feel like to get the job or be at ease and friendly at a party, you become familiar with this reality. If it feels familiar to you, your subconscious is less likely to see this condition as threatening, so you will avoid the self-sabotage that often accompanies a positive change in habits or circumstances. In the next video, I'll go further into this topic.